Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 10 daily habits that can completely transform your life. Whether you're looking to boost your productivity, improve your mental health, or just feel better overall, these habits are game changers. So, let's get started. First up, wake up early. Successful people often swear by this habit. Getting up early gives you a head start on the day, allowing you to plan and tackle tasks with a fresh mind. Next, exercise daily. Even a short 20-minute workout can make a big difference in your energy levels and mood. Planning your day can significantly boost your productivity. Take a few minutes each morning to outline your tasks and set your priorities. A healthy breakfast fuels your body and mind for the day ahead. Opt for nutritious options like fruits, whole grains, and protein. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Practicing gratitude can improve your mental well-being. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. Too much screen time can be draining. Set boundaries to ensure you're not spending excessive time on your phone or computer. Reading regularly stimulates your brain and can be a great way to unwind. Make it a habit to read a few pages every day. Mindfulness helps you stay present and reduce stress. Incorporate mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing into your daily routine. Finally, take time to reflect and review your day. Assess what went well and what could be improved. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments which habits you're excited to try. See you next time.